వైఫై యాప్ చేయమా నువ్వు. So back in live. For the second time today, back in live for the second time today. So back in live for the second time today. Back in live for the second time today. So today we are going to discuss at this juncture 8th class mathematics. For the second time. So 8th class mathematics. We are going to discuss 8th class mathematics. I am going to share in the whiteboard. Sound ఎలా వస్తుందో చూడు. Sound ఎలా వస్తుందో చూడు. So my dear children, as already we know that this is the first live of 8th class students, not for Danu and Nikhil and so many. This is the first live for so many 8th class mathematics, 8th class students. 8th class students. So firstly, I am going to take simple examples in rational numbers chapter. As already we know that rational numbers. First we take natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers. Starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers are when we include that 0, we get, when we include that 0 to the natural numbers, we get whole numbers. When we include negative numbers of natural numbers, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, we get same amount of numbers, integers. Now in a rational number, as already we know, we told in previous classes, rational numbers are in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So P by Q are also known as fractions, but fractions and rational numbers. What is the difference between fractions and rational numbers? So we know that also in previous classes. Fractions are filled with natural numbers. Fractions are filled with natural numbers. Rational numbers are filled with integers. That's it. That's it. Okay. So now rational numbers are satisfied. How many operations are there in mathematics? There are 4 operations: plus, minus, into, divided by. Plus, minus, into, divided by. Okay. So these are the 4 operations. So of these 4 operations, when we take addition, rational, how many properties are there? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, and what is that? Identity property, inverse property, and multiplicative distributive law over addition. Okay, those are the properties. So all these done in the previous classes. So now I am going to take exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Closure property means if A and B are rational numbers, A and B are rational numbers. Rational numbers means Q are quotient numbers. Then A plus B is also a rational number. That is called closure property. So rational numbers are closed under addition. Then A comma B are rational numbers, are quotient numbers, rational numbers. Then A into B is also a rational number. That's why rational numbers are closed under multiplication. That is called closure property. Okay. Next, commutative property means when we interchange the numbers, we get the same value in multiplication and in addition. That's why rational numbers are satisfied commutative property and addition. లేదా ఇంకొక విధంగా కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. Rational numbers are commutative under addition and multiplication. ఈ విధంగా మనం చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్దాం. So now I am going to take exercise 1.1 as exercise 1. We are going to discuss exercise 1.1. Okay. So exercise 1.1 is located in page number 19. Page number 19. Okay. Exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. That's it. So name the property involved in the following examples. So the first one is name the property. So the first one is name the property involved. Name the property involved in the following examples. Involved in the following examples. Okay. So first, 8 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 8 by 5. 0 plus 8 by 5. Okay. Next. Second one is 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 2. I am going to say taking some problems and matter. Next. 3 by 7 into 1 is equal to 3 by 7 is equal to 1 into 3 by 7. Next, minus 2 by 5 into 1 is equal to minus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 into minus 2 by 5. So, and some more examples are also there. And some more examples are also there. We have to take that examples also. Okay. Next. So, sorry. So already in the closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property, inverse property, and last not least multiplicative distributive law over addition. Okay, or distributive law kuda anachu. Distributive law kuda anachu. Distributive law. Distributive law. Nana sound బాగుంది. Okay, distributive law అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. So take three numbers A, B, C. First we take A, B. A and B are rational numbers, then A plus B is a integer. That's why this is called closure property. A plus B is equal to B. So A plus B is equal to live గానా ఇంకోటి లైవ్ కాదు ఇది లైవ్ అవును ఇంత ముందు చెప్పింది ఇంకా అప్లోడ్ కావట్లా ఒక్కటేనా చూస్తాండి ఇది ఓకే సో A plus B is equal to B plus A. So that's it. Next A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B A plus B plus C. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఇప్పుడుది ఒక్కదానే చూస్తాను ఎవరు చూడలేదా 1 watching now నువ్వు ఒక్కదానేనా 4 watching now right Nana. So A plus B plus C. So this is the associative property. Next, identity property in addition. Identity property in addition. So as already we know that when we add 0 to any integer or any rational number, we get the same integer or same rational number. That's why 4 0 members is 5 members like so A plus 0 is equal to A, 0 plus A is equal to A. That's it. So here 0 is an additive identity. In multiplication, when we multiply 1 with any number A by B, then we get the same number. That's why 1 is the multiplicative identity. Next, inverse. What is the inverse of 3 by 5? Additive inverse of 3 by 5 అంటే 3 by 5 కు ఏం యాడ్ చేస్తే తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నా. So but when we add minus 3 by 5 we get 0. Then we can say that 3 by 5 and minus 3 by 5 are additive inverses of each other. Additive inverses of each other. అట్లాగే 3 by 5 into 5 by 3 is equal to 1. Then we say that 3 by 5 and 5 by 3 are multiplicative inverses of each other. Multiplicative inverses of each other. ఈ విధంగా మనం చెప్తాం అన్నమాట. Multiplicative inverses of each other. That's it. ఈ విధంగా మనము ఇన్వర్సల్ గురించి, అడిటివ్ గురించి, తర్వాత అసోసియేటివ్, కమ్యూటేటివ్, క్లోజర్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాం. తర్వాత యాజ్ యూజువల్గా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటివ్ లా అంటే మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటివ్ లా ఓవర్ అడిషన్ అంటే ఏ విధంగా రాస్తాం? A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. ఈ విధంగా రాస్తాం అన్నమాట. సో నౌ ఇవన్నీ క్లియర్ అయినాయి. సో హియర్ 1 minute now. So 8 by 5 plus 0. So when we add 0 to any integer or any rational number, we get the same integer. That is the additive identity law. Additive identity law. So that's why here I'm going to take simple things. Why? Because this is the first live to the 8th class people, except that student Dhanu. So Dhanu is always with me in the holidays also. So additive identity. Next here when we take this a into, we memorize that a into b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. This is the distributive law. That's why distributive law. So name the property involved in the following examples. So the following this example, the property is distributive law. 3 by 7 into 1. This is multiplicative identity. This is multiplicative identity. Am I right? Because any number multiplied by 1, we get the same number. Okay. If any number multiplied by 1, we get the same number. That is called multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity element. So that's why multiplicative identity. ఓకే, ఇది 6th క్లాస్లో వచ్చి ఉంటుంది, 7th క్లాస్లో వచ్చి ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి మీరు కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్గా అయినా అర్థం చేసుకుంటారనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఫాస్ట్గా వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను. ఎక్కడన్నా మనకు సౌండ్ సరిగా రాకపోయినా, ఇంకోటి రాకపోయినా మీరు అక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయగలరు. ఓకేనా? సో -2/5 into 1. Here 1 is there. That's why it is also called multiplicative identity. ఓకేనా? Multiplicative identity. సో సౌండ్ సరిగా రాకపోయినా మీరు చెప్పగలరు. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ 5th one. So in the process of YouTube live, I am going to take each and every problem in the textbook. So I think till April 30th, I am going to do this, except Sundays and holidays. I am going to live except Sundays and holidays. Okay. So ప్రతిరోజు 8th క్లాస్కు 7 o'clock లైవ్ రండి, అంతే. నేను అక్కడ మీకు లింక్ ఇస్తాను. ఆ లింక్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే వెంటనే యూట్యూబ్ లైవ్లోకి వచ్చేస్తారు. మీరు ఇదే చేయాల్సిన పని, అంతే. ఇంక వేరే ఏ పని చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఓకేనా? సో మీరు ఆ పని చేయండి. ఓకేనా? సో 2/5 plus 1/3 is equal to 1/3 plus 2/5. So this is nothing but two numbers are adding. Yet to be rational numbers. That's why rational numbers interchange చేసిన దాని వాల్యూ సేమ్ అవుతుంది. That's why this is called commutative law of identity. Commutative law. In what? Addition. Commutative law of addition. Okay, na? Commutative law of addition. Next, 6th problem. 5/2 into 3/7 is equal to 15/14. 5/2 into 3/7 is 15/14. So here this is a rational number and this is when we multiply two rational numbers, we get the same rational number. So then we have to memorize that a and b are rational numbers. Then a into b is also a rational number. This is called, I think, what? Closure property under multiplication. Or closure law. Closure law under addition. Closure law in multiplication, or closure property, or closure law in multiplication. In multiplication. Okay. Next. So seventh one is Rana. Seventh one is 7a plus minus 7a is equal to 0. 7a plus minus 7a is equal to 0. So as already we mentioned that when we add a plus minus a, we get 0. Then a and minus a are additive inverses of each other. Okay, additive inverses of each other. So this is 7a and minus 7a are additive inverses of each other. ఇక్కడ ఏమంటాం నాన్న మనం 1 minute. Additive inverse law. Okay, Nana? Additive inverse law. That's it. Next, last one. No. Not last one. So, eighth one is x into 1 by x is equal to 1. X is not equal to 0. Next, ninth one is 2 into x plus 2 into 6 is equal to 2 into x plus 6. 2 into x plus 6. Okay. So as usual, when we multiply two numbers, we get 1. Then we call both are multiplicative inverses of each other. Both are multiplicative inverses of each other. So that's why the name is multiplicative inverse law. My dear children, multiplicative inverse law. Okay, next. This is as usual a into b plus a into b plus a into c. A into b plus a into c is equal to a into b plus c. So that's why the name is distributive law. Distributive law. So ఈ విధంగా మనం చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తాం అన్నమాట. Write the additive and the multiplicative inverses of the following. So second question is in the page number 19. Second question is write the additive and the multiplicative inverses of the following. So as already we told that minus 3 by 5. What is the additive inverse of minus 3 by 5? We have to interchange the sign only. We have to interchange the sign only. Minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So minus 3 by 5. Additive inverse is so plus 3 by 5. Next. Minus 3 by 5. Multiplicate minus 3 by 5 multiplicative inverse. Minus 3 by 5 multiplicative inverse is minus 3 by 5 దేంతో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకు 1 వస్తుంది. దేంతో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 1 వస్తుంది. సో minus 3 by 5 into x is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 3 by 5 పోతే ఏమవుతుంది minus 5 by minus 3 లేదా minus 5 by 3 ఏ విధంగా రాసుకున్నా 1 into 1. So 1 తో దేన్ని మల్టిప్లై చేసినా when we multiply by 1 we get the same result minus 5 by 3. That's it. So minus 5 by 3 or 3 by 5 by minus 3 and write 5 by minus 3. You can write it as. So just like that 1 is, what is the additive inverse of 1? Minus 1. What is the multiplicative inverse of 1? 1 only. What is the additive inverse of 0? There is no additive inverse of 0. What is the multiplicative inverse of 0? There is no multiplicative inverse for 0. So what is the additive inverse of 7 by 9? Additive inverse అంటే ఈ విధంగా రాస్తాను నేను. Additive inverse అంటే -7 by 9. -7 by 9. Next, multiplicative inverse. We have to reverse it. Just as numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. That's it. Next, -1. What is the additive inverse of -1 plus 1? What is the multiplicative inverse of -1? -1 only. -1 only. -1 only. That's it. So everything convert. Next, fill in the blanks. In the exercise 1.1, page number 19. Okay. So దాన్ని కూడా మనం ఎలా ఫిల్ అప్ చేయాలన్నా -1 by 17 -1 by 17 plus dash is equal to -12 by 5 plus -1 by 17. So from commutative law, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Here b is what? We don't know. But here b is -12 by 5. That's why we can write -12 by 5 in this dash. We can fill it by -12 by 5. That's it. Next, second one. So because it is first live, I am going to take first chapter. Later we are going to take second, fourth, third, fourth, and so many chapters. Okay. Every day there is a live for 8th class people from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. That's it. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 7:10 p.m. to 8 p.m. whatever it may be. కొంచెం అటు ఇటుగా 7 p.m. 8 p.m. or 7:10 p.m. to 8 p.m. అంతే. ఓకే. సో ఇక జూమ్ క్లాసులు ఉండవు. డైరెక్ట్ యూట్యూబ్లోనే క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయి. యూట్యూబ్ లైవ్ ఉంటుంది. సో -2 by 3 plus dash is equal to -2 by 3. So ఏ నెంబర్, this is a rational number, the result is the same rational number. So we can easily identify that in this dash we can fill 0. When we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. That's why here this is 0. Next, third one. 1 into dash is equal to 9 by 11. So in rational numbers, in multiplicative identity law, when we multiply 1 by a number, we get the same number. So that's why we can write 9 by 11 in this dash. Okay. Next, fourth runner. You go into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into dash. You can fill these two dash. So as already distributive law says that a, b, c are rational numbers, then a into b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. AB plus AC. That's it. Okay. So here 3 by 5 into 1 by 2, 3 by 4 into something. So see this. AB plus AC. AB plus AC. Okay. Here A is 3 by 4. That's why I am going to write 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into B plus C. Here B is 1 by 2. Then C is 1 by 3. Nothing but. So 1 by 3. That's it. So you have to cope up that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. That's it. Okay. Next. Fifth problem. I think this is the fifth problem. Sorry. I am extremely sorry. This is the fifth problem. Now I am going to write fourth problem. Fourth problem. So minus 12 plus 5 by 6 plus 6 by 7 is equal to minus 12 plus 5 by 6 plus dash. So as we know that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus A plus C. No. Associative law. Sorry, no. Associative law. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Here A is minus 12. B is what? 5 by 6. And C is 6 by 7. So A plus B means minus 12 plus 5 by 6. So then the next C is here 6 by 7. That's it. Then we are going to fill the dash by 6 by 7. That's it. Next, sixth one. So minus 16 by 7 plus dash is equal to minus 16 by 7. So when we add a number, when will we get the same number when we add a number? ఏ నెంబర్ను కలిపితే మళ్ళీ అదే నెంబరే వస్తుంది. నో డౌట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 0. No doubt it is 0. So that's why I'm going to put 0 in this dash. I'm going to fill it 0 by this dash. Okay. So nana ఈ విధంగా మనము minus 16 by 7 0 వచ్చేసింది ఆన్సర్. సో ఈ విధంగా మనము ఫస్ట్ 2 3 4 చేసేసినాం. నెక్స్ట్ fourth problem. Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Okay, Nana? Reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. So what is the reciprocal means? Reciprocal means what? Chaptara everyone? Can anybody comment on this chart? So multiplicative inverse ante manaku telusu, additive inverse ante kuda manaku telusu. So additive inverse of minus 2 by 3 means plus 2 by 3. When we add these two, we get 0. Multiplicative inverse means minus 2 by 3. ఈ డాష్లో ఏం ఉంచితే when we put, what is the number when we put in this dash to get 1. As usually 3 by minus 2. So then minus 2 by 3 and 3 by minus 2 or minus 3 by 2 are multiplicative inverses of each other. Reciprocal is nothing but multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal is nothing but multiplicative inverse. So solution is reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is 14 by minus 5. రాసుకోవచ్చు ఈ విధంగా లేదా minus 14 by 5 అని ఏ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు. వాట్ ఎవర్ minus 14 by minus 5 అయినా minus 14 by 5 అయినా ఒకటే, the same. So now the required answer is so 2 by 11 into 14 by minus 5. 2 11s are 28, 11 5s are 55, minus 55. This is nothing but minus 28 by 55. That's it. Minus 28 by 55. That's it. Next, which properties can be used in computing? So fifth problem, page number 20 of 8th class mathematics textbook. So which property can be used in computing 2 by 5 into 5 into 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11. Okay, ఏ ప్రాపర్టీని మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాము? ఏ ప్రాపర్టీని యూజ్ చేస్తానన్నా? సో కెన్ ఎనీబడి మెన్షన్ ఇన్ ద చాట్ బాక్స్ ఏమేమి రాస్తామంటే ఫస్ట్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ దీస్ టూ. First you can take this one. This is nothing but associative law in multiplication, because there are 3 numbers. When there are 2 numbers, commutative property. When there are 3 numbers, associative property. So multiplicative associative, one right now, multiplicative associative. Come on, ఇక్కడ ఏంటన్నా ఏమేమి వినిపించచ్చు? సో 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11. సో ఇది కూడా మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ అసోసియేటివ్నే కదా, ఫస్ట్ మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ అసోసియేటివ్. సో ఫస్ట్ మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ అసోసియేటివ్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ 1 by 3 and 3 are multiplicative inverses each other. సో కాబట్టి మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఇన్వర్స్ కూడా వాడతాం చేసేటప్పుడు వాడతాం అనమాట, అంతే ఏం లేదు. సో మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఇన్వర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ కూడా వాడతాం. 1 by 3 into 3 is 1. మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ కూడా వాడతాం. అండ్ క్లోజర్ విత్ అడిషన్ అంతే కదా, క్లోజర్ విత్ అడిషన్. సో a by b and b by c are 2 rational numbers. Then a by b plus b by c is ac plus b square by bc. This is also a rational number. This is also closure property. అంటే క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీని కూడా మనం వాడతాం. we use closure property also. ఈ విధంగా మీరు రాయాలి ఆన్సర్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ అసోసియేటివ్ వాడతాం, మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఇన్వర్స్ వాడతాం, మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ వాడతాం. ఎలా చేద్దామో చూద్దాం నేను. ఫస్ట్ ఎలా చేసినా ఒకటే కదా. సో ఫస్ట్ 2 by 5 into 5. అసోసియేటివ్ మీన్స్ నెంబర్స్ని ఏ విధంగా మల్టిప్లై చేసినా ఒకటే కదా మనకు. కాబట్టి 2 by 5 into 5 into 7 by 6 ప్లస్ దీన్ని ఏం చేయొచ్చు 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11. So 5 get cancelled. 2 into 7 by 6. 3 get cancelled because they are multiplicative inverses of each other. 1 into 4 by 11. 2 7 is 14 by 6. 1 4 is 4 by 11. So ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీని వాడతాం అన్నమాట. 6 11 is 66. 14 into 11 plus 4 into 6. ఈ విధంగా వాడతాం. సో వచ్చేసి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఏ రేషనల్ నెంబర్ అని చెప్తాం అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ వెరిఫై ద ఫాలోయింగ్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 6. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 7. ఎవాల్యుయేట్ ఆఫ్టర్ రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్. రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ చేసినా ఎన్ని చేసినా ఒక్కసారి అసోసియేటివ్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి సో ఈ విధంగా ఇలా ఎన్ని నెంబర్లు తీసుకున్నా వస్తుంది మనకు. కాబట్టి రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ 7th ప్రాబ్లం ఆఫ్టర్ రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ ద వాల్యూ ఆల్సో సేమ్. సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ తీసివేస్తాం. సో ఇలా మనం అన్ని చేస్తాం. 1.1 ఐ థింక్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు go through that 1.1. So now I am going to stop share. So this is the first live in this new year for 8th class students. This is the first live for 8th class students in this new year. Hope you will get this. సో ప్రతిరోజు 8 గంటలకు 7 to 8 8th class people may join in YouTube. ఆ లింక్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే చాలు మీకు లైవ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా యూట్యూబ్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతారు అంతే, వేరే ఏం అవసరం లేదు. నేను పంపించిన లింక్ మీద జాయిన్ జస్ట్ టచ్ చేస్తే చాలు, మీకు ఇంటర్నెట్ ఉంటే చాలు, మీరు యూట్యూబ్లో మీ ప్రతి సెల్ ఫోన్లో యూట్యూబ్ ఉంటుంది, నో డౌట్ అబౌట్ దట్. సో యూట్యూబ్లో లైవ్లో పాల్గొనవచ్చు మీరు కూడా. తర్వాత థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్ నాన్న. సో hope you understand this. So this is the first time, that's why I am going to take in okay Nana. Okay, whoever joined this video, thank you very much. Okay,
నాకు బ్యాక్ రాలేదు, నాకు రేపు ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంది.
right, 1 minute. Okay Nana, now I am going to end this stream. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for joining this live. Hope you understand all the problems. If you don't understand the problems, send me in WhatsApp. My phone number is 9440 Okay. This I am going to end the class.